Hey guys, we're back here with something just a little different. We're going to be changing the oil on a Troy-Bilt snowblower. This is a two-stage. It's the Storm 2620. So, whatever that means. We will just need a quart of oil, 5W30, 10 millimeter wrench, and a little bit of patience. So, looks like just need to loosen this guy right here. Woo. Now, before I loosen that all the way, you'll see here, I do have some bricks under my tires. That's just because my pan wasn't small enough to slide underneath. That way when I open everything, I'll tilt it back and it'll just drain into my pan, my bucket, whatever. Undo this guy. Let's tilt it back. Let's let it drain. Now, I'll be honest, I got this snowblower used. It was given to me. I've had it a couple years, and I've never done this, and I can guarantee the people before me never did it. So, this is a first for everything on it. If you wanted to come a little quicker, I didn't run it before. It's been sitting outside. It's cold. So, it's going to drain slow. Again, I'm not too concerned. So, we're just going to drain it and then we'll fill it with some fresh, new stuff. I think that's pretty well drained. Be quite honest with you. Like I said, it's just an itty bitty motor. It doesn't take much. Let's get back in. You notice that. Washer came off. Now let's put this guy back in. That up. Done. Move our catch can. Let's take it off the blocks. Okay, so I'm just gonna confirm. Yep, she's empty. So I think I read somewhere it takes 600 milliliters or approximately 20 ounces. However you figure that out on this thing, I don't know. going all pro here. No funnel. Woo! I think that's it. Ooh, she's right there to the full mark. Let's give her a fire up, see what she does. Cold start for all you people like cold starts. And there you go. How simple is that for an oil change? If you like what you guys saw, thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.